You search how to buy shares of Duerr AG. Duerr AG, ticker DUE.de, is a German mechanical and plant engineering company listed on Xetra. This short tutorial is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DUE.de to find the listing. Select the entry that specifies Duerr AG on Xetra to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Duerr AG. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker DUE.de to verify it's the right listing. To place a buy order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.